Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu. Asị m ka nke onye chikwara ya zelu. N'ụbọchị nke taa, anyị na-ewetara unu nnukwu ozi dị nnukwu mkpa na Igbo Media, bụ ebe anyị si na-ewetara unu ya bụ ozi gbasara maka Nigeria na gbasara maka ana Igbo and ihe na-eme na ndịda anyanwụ nke anyị na-akpọ Eastern Region. Ma ọ bụ na ụbọchị nke taa bụ ụbọchị izi gị ị na-agafete na channel anyị n'ilu akwụkwọ, anyị ọ ya amasị anyị ka ị subscribe and turn on your notification ka ịrapụ na-emis any update dịka anyị na-ewetara unu ya kwa mgbe n'ilu akwụkwọ. Dịka o si dị owe news anyị wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa, ya bụ ife bụ ya ga-achọkwa unu ya bụ ife ọfụma ka unu ghọta ife na-emenụ. Anyị achọrọ ịka mmọnwụ n'ilu mmọnwụ. Ige ya bụ ife, ị ga-esi anyị dropụra your own comment ife iche n'ụdị nke gị gbasara maka ihe ndị anyị je gị n'ugbu a. Alright, over to you, sir.
This was exactly what happened in 1966. When you people carried out a coup and you blamed the Igbos for it, and the Hausas believed you and started killing the Igbos. You know very well, those who have been causing protests in Nigeria since independence. We know what happened here with OPC. We knew what happened here with Ghanaian dance and OPC in Lagos here. Was it the Igbos? Was it the Igbos? I'm asking you, was it the Igbos? Look at how the government have battered the image of Nigeria right, left, and center. Even the record of Tinubu since the election period. Was it the P2B that caused it? Was it P2B that went to CSU to get the Tinubu's record? Was it P2B? Is that not enough image damaging? For people should abide by you should stop all this. He's causing problem in Nigeria.
Always dragging issues towards ethnic.
Yes.
People taking sweet and chewing gum.
I wonder. Is either he is dancing to the tune of his dear masters, or he has this pathological hatred for the Igbos. Remember what happened during the last election? All the things Bayo Onanuga said about the Igbos in Lagos. That one was not enough. They have won the election. They are in government. Yet this man continued to attack P2B, attack anybody that has to do with him. Please, let me ask again. This propaganda that started in 1966, you mean it has not ended by Onanuga? Why is it that whenever you people cause problem, you shift it to the Igbos? You have started this thing. You are saying now that they should hope to be responsible. On what ground? Are you telling me that you did not hear the Northerners who have sworn that they are going to carry this protest? For the first time, Northerners are championing protests in Nigeria, and you, by your Onanuga, you did not see them. You did not say anything about them. You have not kept mute as if you didn't know who are the people championing this protest. But an innocent P2B, who has been a peaceful man, even when he lost the election, he moved on quietly without saying anything. Yet you must find a way to attack P2B. In what way? On what ground? Have you produced one evidence where P2B assembled some people and was discussing with them on how to carry out the protest? Or did you see any tweets from P2B where he was instructing people on how to carry out a protest? And yet, by Onanuga, you don't know who is causing this problem. You are the one, because Showore have told us. He listed all the people that is pushing this protest. You are one of them. Tinubu is one of them. Senate President is one of them. Speaker is one of them. Showore listed all the people that are making the protest to hold. Yet, you do not mention the name of Showore. By Onanuga, you do not mention the name of Showore, but you must mention the name of P2B. So, by the
why is it so easy for this government to vehemently fight against anything we get to do with protest? But on different occasions, we hear when you visit this president now, been done call for protest against the government of Goodluck Jonathan. He even talk say, make them come out Goodluck Jonathan from office. Make them protest to come out from office, and they need to do well. And by Onanuga, we don't see on different times where he support such protests then. What happened for 2012 and other times. So why is it hard now for them to agree, make people protest peacefully? What is really going on?
This is why I want Nigerians and the whole world to take note. Because this was exactly what happened in 1966 when they carried out their coup and they shifted it to the Igbo. And they not to gullibly believe that it was an Igbo coup. But today, evidence has come out that that coup was not an Igbo coup. Evidence has come out. Yes, they have started again. People want to do protest. You were here when they were begging Igbo to join the Ebimbami protest, and the Igbos refused to join them. We refuse to join them. Oh. Now they want to do protest. And by Ononoga and the master, they know those who are championing this protest. Yes, he didn't want to mention. He was too afraid, too cowardly to mention their name. But because the P2P and Igbos are very peaceful, that's why everybody will be talking down on them. Talking down on them. All they did to the Igbos in Lagos during the last election, that we did not retaliate, we did not respond. It was not enough. They have continued to embarrass the Igbos at every point in time, talking down on them as if they are slaves in Nigeria. All because of what? We are very peaceful. Is it a crime to be a peaceful human being? You see this thing, this sleeping tiger that they are drawing the tail, they are pulling the day this tiger will wake up. Let nobody run. No. We have been saying it now. That is not about P2P. They should not do to P2P what they did to Nnamdi Kanu. We are saying it now. The whole world should watch it too. Because this thing that he even calling that people should the DSS, the secretary should arrest P2P. On what ground? What did P2P do wrong for God's sake? Why can't people rise up and ask Bayo Ononoga, what exactly did P2P do to you? You are talking down on him as if he's your mate or whatever. No iota of respect. You saw the people from the north who have sworn to carry out this protest. You didn't even mention that. You didn't talk. Bayo Ononoga. I am ashamed of you. Very, very ashamed of you. Seriously. This was how they threatened your gas wife here. You did not talk. You did not talk, but you did not talk. Somebody threatened your gas wife in Asoro. You did not open your mouth and utter a word. But I did not say P2P, who have not made any inflammatory statement, who is not a violent man. Every time you find a way to talk down on him. For what? What kind of insult is this now? Your brother Showore, who have been championing the protest, you did not even mention his name. You are calling P2P. Is it a crime to be a peaceful human being in Nigeria? This is how you people have destroyed this country. Showore even said that, even David Hundeyi, he said that somebody in Asoro is sponsoring some ethnic protests. That he's sponsoring people. You know this is by another, you kept quiet. Every time P2P, every time obedient. Who told you that obedient people are many people from the southeast? You don't know that obedient are all over Nigeria, even outside Nigeria, you don't know. Every time P2P, even with no evidence at all, no evidence. Well, I was expecting you to come and tell the whole world, at least give us some bites, where you had P2P discussing protest with anybody. You couldn't do that. This is why you like to talk about Dubai agreement. Every time you keep lying and telling people, causing problem in Nigeria because you are speaking for Tinubu, it's very wrong of you, Bayo Ononoga. Very, very wrong of you. What you are doing is not good. And people should call you to order. You cannot continue to talk down on the Igbos. We have been so peaceful. Everything they do to us, we kept quiet. We don't retaliate, we don't reply, we don't respond. And because of that, you now feel it is your right to talk down on anybody from the southeast. For what? It's very wrong of you now. People should call you to order because this was exactly what happened in 1966. When you people carried out a coup and you blame the Igbos for it, and the Hausas believed you and started killing the Igbos. The Hausas believed you and started killing the Igbos. Today now, many years after, there are documentary evidence, written document that yes, this was actually you people. Even your own brothers, they wrote it. But you saw what the Igbos suffer since that time till now. That was what the Igbos have been suffering because of propaganda. Now you have continued. You have continued with this election that ended. You are in power now. What exactly is wrong with you? You people have collected power now. So why can't you leave us alone? Why can't you leave us alone? You said it is your turn. We said okay, no problem. I mean, can't you allow P2P to rest for God's sake? Every little thing you call P2P, even when he's not involved, when something that is not concerned P2P, you'll be calling his name, insulting him, right, left, and center, telling people that people from the Igbos. And now the Hausas have gullibly bought it that the Igbos want to do protest. For what? When was it organized? Everybody had when there was an Ohaneze told the Igbos they should not get involved in any protest. The Igbo man is too busy to think of protest. The Igbo man is too busy. He can never descend so low That is not our character. I don't know why people are pushing us to be what we are not. We cannot descend so low. You know very well, those who have been causing protests in Nigeria since independence. We know what happened here with OPC. We knew what happened here with Ghanaians and OPC in Lagos here. Was it the Igbos? Was it the Igbos? I'm asking you, was it the Igbos? So, my dear, please be very careful. The Igbos, they are the most diligent and most industrious group or ethnic group in Nigeria. You should respect them.
All right, so Barrister Darlington, one thing wey be say you strike me, and the fact say the government no dey even look at the hardship. The fact say people dey talk say things hard. Even the NOA, when they mention and they say, oh, Nigerians, then some group of people for political reasons just want to spoil the name of Nigeria to paint am black to the international community. The buyer no even testify to the fact say prices of especially food items don dey so difficult that e no dey reachable to people again. E be like say they no wan own up to the fact say things really hard na im make people wan protest, but e dey easier for them to just trade blends. Na taxes wey dey use to just comot divert taxes to comot people eye for the real matter, or you think say truly dey actually no dey in touch with wetin dey on ground?
They are not in touch. If they are, they will not be talking like this. Who is destroying the image of Nigeria if not the same government? Look at what happened in Dubai recently. Look at what happened in Dubai recently. Was it P2P that did all those things? Was it P2P? Look at how the government have battered the image of Nigeria right, left, and center. Even the record of Tinubu since the election period. Was it the P2P that caused it? Was it P2P that went to CSU to get the Tinubu's record? Was it P2P? Is that not enough image damaging? Bayobi did not show those things. You calling P2P every time. P2P did. People, there's no evidence to it. No evidence for God's sake. No evidence. People should advise Bayobi. He should stop all this. He's causing problem in Nigeria. In fact, the Tinubu should sack him because he's not representing Tinubu very well. Every time he'll be diverting attention from the real issue. This hunger, was it caused by P2P? Is it not your bad administration that caused it? Instead of you to address issues on ground, you are calling on P2P, insulting the Igbos right, left, and center. You did all you did here to get into power. Okay, you have got into power. You do the administration now. You left it and you are pursuing P2P. People should advise him to be very. This problem you want to cause. If you cause, you should not run though. Instead of to tell that they should arrest P2P, they should arrest Bayo Onanuga for spreading falsehood. Bayo Onanuga is spreading falsehood. He should be arrested.
Ndị be anyị daalụ nne nnukwu unu si wee na-esore na Igbo Media dịka unu si na-esore anyị sị na Chukwu oke abịa mapụrụ mmiri na ya gosi niile n'ofu n'ofu otu anyị kwuru otu akọ ya dịrịrị ise kabakwa alụ ka itinye alụ nke gị na ihe niile na gbasara maka ihe Biafran Prime Minister kwugasị n'iru akwụkwọ ana ndị ọzọ dị iche iche kabarụ ka itinye alụ nke gị ife icherụ n'ụdị nke gị gbasara maka ya bụ ife dịka anyị nọkwa na-echekwa olileanya na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ya pụta oge na-adịghị anya na n'ụlọ mkpọrọ anyị sị na Chukwu oke abịa ma ga-enye ya ike nọnyere ya chekwaba ya mana anyị kwuru otu akọ ya dịrịrị ise. Thank you and also stay tuned at Eastern News 24. Ka emesịa nụ ndị be anyị.